How to sell clothes on Depop? Well, first of all, if you want to sell clothes, you could sell about anything on Depop as long as you can prove the ownership of your business or the shop that you own. It must be legitimate. And in order to do this, first of all, you have to create a seller account. So open your browser, type in Depop sell and search for the Depop sell link. You'll find the first link right after you type and search for that. So make sure you're on the official link here. Here you can see the sign up option from the top right. Tap on the sign up option from the top right hand side. Here it will ask you to continue with your Google or your Apple ID or whatsoever else. You want to make sure to go ahead and then enter your respective details over here. So once you tap on continue with Google or Apple, your seller account will get created, or you can just tap on continue with email if you would like to create an independent email address not directly linked with Google or Apple. And once done, make sure to enter username and password, the location, and then just hit the next option there. And once you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically finish creating your seller account. And after, it will ask you for a couple of your business information. You will also be able to start selling your clothes on Depop. So I hope that this video helps you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.